are done now. Everything is done. Now how about we play? Okay, let me just do one quick play game now. Quiz game first. Give me give me an answer, Chanjo. All you have like a 5 seconds to each question. You answer, okay? Okay. Tell me, let's talk about the Bollywood, right? Okay. Tell me who's your favorite star hero in Bollywood?
Salman Khan.
You're done. What about the female? Female actress. Ashwarya. Who's the most comedian you like? Johnny Lever. Wow. If you ever get a chance to go contact, date with the Bollywood, who will be? Arjun Number. Then why didn't you say my favorite Arjun Number? Who's your Tibetan most celebrity? Yeah. Male. Male is Samdu. Oh, what about the female? Pasalamo. Okay. I really have to tell Pasalamo like that. Pasalamo should see our blog, right? She should see our blog. Come on, Pasalamo. Check out our blog. We did good one. Yeah.
Best singer.
Right.
Some of the young children mean she done with this freestyle. Me, hello. Me put on the shade and get out. Now you are freestyle.
Free of himself.
Yeah.
That's good.
Love the jungle. What did you know? Something to join that.
Some do that.
How about you guys, like in a Bollywood? Let's say like a Bollywood star hero. Who's like most favorite? Tezila and Dayong.
Tiger Shroff.
Tiger. Okay, Dayong.
Hrithik Roshan.
Oh, Hrithik Roshan. Okay, good. What is your favorite romantic song? Can you say that?
Lagicha. He likes that song too.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we both like that song.
Okay, let's say Tezila, just for you. Kisi Tezila, if you ever get a chance to go with a Bollywood actress, date like a dinner, just to talk, who would be?
I wonder who he's gonna pick.
Okay, same question to you. What about the male?
Hrithik Roshan.
Hrithik, good choice. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
How about my madam?
Ask who's your favorite YouTuber.
Okay.
She watches a lot of YouTube.
Okay.
YouTube bit of the YouTube.
Okay. What is your best YouTuber in a male?
Male,
Yeah.
male, female,
Juliana YouTube like
Juliana.
Okay, Juliana, that's a female.
More ditchy.
Oh, okay, Juliana. Okay, that's good. That's good to know. Juliana, yeah, that's good to know. You know who's my favorite is? Vitali and Human.
Oh my God, no, not those guys.
Vitali and Human. Oh my God, yeah.
They're pranks.
They're a prank. Oh my God, you see how much they got? They're crazy. Yeah. But anyway.
So Bollywood actor favorite
Hey, Madam
actor.
Padala, who is your favorite Bollywood actress star?
Sanjay Dutt.
Sanjay Dutt. I should know that. But
I think,
I have to ask.
you don't think he guessed you?
I have to
Yeah,
ask.
Do
No.
you want me to tell?
Wow.
Karishma Kapoor.
No. She's not.
Yeah.
She's like Sushmita.
त म चाहिँ
She loves
Okay.
Karishma.
Who is your Bollywood
Okay.
most favorite actress?
Actress, I would say Karishma Kapoor.
You see, I told you.
Okay. Let's.
나
What
가다
is?
보다.
Okay. Who? That like who?
No, Karishma 이게 말이다.
Okay. So.
You gotta stick with your own
Okay,
way. You
so-
can't like keep changing.
Okay,
And
okay.
Aishwarya.
Let's say like okay, if you ever get a chance to go have dinner with Bollywood actor star,
Actress.
who? Yeah, actress.
Sanjay Dutt.
Sanjay Dutt. What about actress?
Actress Sushmita Sen.
Sushmita Sen.
Yes.
What is
뭐 가면 뒤도.
what is your? Okay, Alright, let me ask you guys all three, right? What is your favorite Indian food? Three of you guys.
South Indian biryani. Hyderabad biryani.
Hyderabad biryani.
I like everything pretty much. Dosa, idli.
Well, you have to say one. Though. You can't choose
Pick one.
Yeah.
It's hard to pick.
What about you?
I like lamb.
Love.
Lamb vindaloo. Spicy lamb
I'll
vindaloo.
say chicken
Lamb
tikka masala.
I love it.
Yeah, chicken tikka masala.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Let's
Alright, last one. You have only like 10 seconds, right? Tell me 5 things that you can put on your feet. Feet.
What do you mean?
5 things what you can put on your feet. Tell me quick.
Five
Like, now you have only like 10 seconds.
Nail polish. Sandal, nice, any the ring, and then a pile, we can put
Yeah.
pile, right? Shoes, yes. And then nice shoes.
There you go.
Okay, I'll have come on, man. Why can't you say like socks, dumb the layer or your pile, the dirt
Pile,
on Okay, this is a chonde. Guys, right? What do you put on your hand? Fingers, like hand, right?
Yeah.
For 5 things. Come on, in 5 seconds.
Gloves chair, ring chair,
Lotion.
lotion chair,
And
scissors.
then watch.
One more. Say bracelet.
Come on, chonde, you have to help.
아니 뜻을 누드 썼어.
And gloves.
아, 씨발 그런 거 글러스 썼어 봐. 맞지?
Gloves, rings,
아니 나보다 그렇게
lotion,
길고 그러네.
scissors.
아니 bracelet. bracelet again. Yeah, 5 things.
Oh, that was 5? Okay.
Gusto mo junior ya?
Alright.
Pedicure too.
Okay. Alright. Okay, do you still want to go on with
No,
this?
I think we should
Or we should do the dance?
Yeah.
Whatever that thing is.
Valentine game.
The game, the
Game
yo-yo.
요거 Game 그래.
Valentine game.
That was it. What's up?
Okay, let's play a game. Now let's do a game.
카드 오늘.
어때 돼요?
알래?
된다.
The rules,
먼저 1 minute 로 dance tab 아니 슈 디따지 지게래 아니 까마 찍찍처럼 슈 디따지 쫑쫑쫑쫑쫑 제래 아니 수 까보디 깜바 디살라 쇼나 아니 어디 까보디 쇼
Oh wow.
오케이
Okay.
아니 라스 야치 마지 수수 겨가기 김에 얘기하고 도르 아니 베타 쫑 아야
Social chair. Yeah.
Bây giờ các bác cháu là đang nhau đấy á.
Okay. Okay, let's go.
라스에서 얘기해 무슨 거
Ale, 부모를 보자 그래.
정말 부부가 껴 정말 얘기해 주세요
너는 다음에 아니 뭘 그래.
Oh my god.
You ready?
Đây là tricks to kia mà rồi.
Ah.
Tricks to kia.
트릭 똑같이 그 어깨에 딱 와와
That's why you figure it out.
Figure out.
Yeah. You can't
똑같이
tell
그
everything.
망토래 I think we should do
30 seconds?
Yeah,
30 seconds.
that's too long.
Okay.
Yeah, kamaching yan kala
Yeah.
judo already.
Can't say
Everything, yeah.
So just do like 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
So lana man turn to the turn la. So lana 30 seconds turn.
All right.
Turn.
Okay, start. Let's go. Something like that.
Ready?
Watch your feet. Don't they got it. Not much.
Time begin.
I'm putting the chairs up.
Okay, that's it.
5 seconds last. Alright, start.
Oh my god. Okay, come on. Oh my. Very good, gang. Come on.
Okay, but then, you know, right? You have to pop all four,
Okay.
okay?
But if
In
I
order
pop
to
three?
win the prize.
How do you win?
Yeah, you're gonna win prize, but that's a surprise. Win prize, that's a surprise. You get to try two, that's it. That is gonna go to next.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
One, two, three. Whoa! Oh my god, so sorry. What did you do? Did you do something there? What happened?
What is this?
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. What happened? What happened?
It's a baby? It's a baby?
The boy girl. She won the prize.
What is it?
She won the prize. You win the green color Lamborghini. Alright, Daniel, your turn.
Oh my god, I don't
No, that's a different one. That's a different one. It's not gonna be like that. No, it's not gonna be like that.
Oh my god. 빵이 돼지 너무 너무
Anna, that's what I'm saying. April go let's go.
Nice one, okay? Rejo, you're gonna win a big prize this time. Not gonna be Lamborghini. It's gonna be a nice one.
Oh, nice.
Oh my god. One, two, three. Okay, here's the prize.
Next one.
Makeup
Red
powder.
color Lamborghini.
Makeup powder.
Oh my god, is that on my face too?
내가 봐.
내가 마셔야지.
나머지 거 내가 까먹습니다.